In part 1, we set up our main concepts. Remember, you can always drag and drop the topics under any other topic, and you can undo your changes. Now we're going to add information to our topics. To add a note to a topic, first select the topic where you want the note, highlighting it. Then go to Extra in the right pane. You may need to extend or close some of the other options to make extras visible. Play around with extending or closing options in the right pane. Now, go to Extra and click on the Notes icon. A typical note might be some additional information or a reference to a resource. Now click outside of the topic, and you will see a note icon appear. This signals that there is a note attached to this topic. To add a link, go to Extra again in the right pane and click on the arrow icon. When the box opens, you can paste your URL or web page address right here. When you are done, click outside your topic, and you will see a link icon appear, which signals that there is a link attached to this topic. To add files, go to Extra again in the right pane and click on the paperclip icon. From here, you can click on Upload, and you can browse and attach any document that's on your hard drive. Last, there are many ways to personalize the appearance of your mind map. Though this may be the lowest priority for your work with your students. Just highlight the item, and you can change the format or add images or icons by using the choices in the right sidebar under Format or Images and Icons. Don't be afraid to try out everything on Mind Map, since you can always undo by clicking on the back arrow or by using the key combination Ctrl-Z. One student in a group should set up an account, and then he can give access to other students to work with him by using the Share button in the lower left-hand corner. Students should invite their partners using the Add Collaborators option. This will allow these other students to contribute and change information. Choosing the Add Viewers option will limit one to viewing only. When you are ready to check your students' work, they can invite you as a collaborator or a viewer, and you can see the history of how each contribution was made and by whom. To do this, go to the little clock on the bottom right and click it. The colored dots on the bottom represent the different contributors. Click on these dots to see who did what. Click on the Rewind button to view a moving chronology of how the map was created. Mindmeister is a simple and intuitive tool. Don't be afraid to fool around with it because it's very flexible and anything you do can be undone. The Help function contains lots of useful information about additional functionality. Thanks for watching.